This video is looking at algebra when we are substituting values in for the terms. Okay, so I'm going to use the price of different items of fruit as an example for this. So I'm going to say that I've been given, or I've been told, the information that A is equal to 15. That could be that A is the price of an apple, so A is 15. I've been told that B is 20. That could be that the price of a banana is 20p, and that C is 25. So the price of a clementine is 25p. So if I am asked to substitute the terms, I've been given the value of the individual terms, and then I would have been given an expression something like this. So I would have said, well, A plus B is equal to what? So I know that A is 15 and I know that B is 20. So if I'm substituting in the terms, I'm just putting that information in. So 15 is the value of A and 20 is the value of B, keeping my signs the same there. 15 plus 20, of course, equals 35. So if I'm substituting the terms, keeping things nicely lined up so that I've written them directly beneath, and I'm able to say that, yes, if I was buying an apple and a banana, then that would cost me 35p. And in another example, if I was asked to then find 2A plus C, that would mean I'm buying 2 apples and 1 clementine, and I'm looking for the cost of those. So 2A is 2 lots of A. 2 lots of A, well, 2 lots of 15 is going to be 30. And I'm adding on, I've just got this C on its own, so that's 1 lot of C. So I'm adding on 25. So 30 plus 25 is equal to 55. So if that was what I was purchasing, if I was buying 2 apples and 1 clementine, then that would cost me 55p. Here I've got another example. Again, I'm going to be substituting the terms. I've been told that x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. And I've been given an expression x, y. I need to substitute those terms. I must remember in algebra, when I've got 2 terms written next to each other, that means that they are multiplied together. So substituting those values, x is equal to 2, so I've got a 2, and the y is equal to 3, so I've got a 3, but I've got to multiply these two together because xy does mean x multiplied by y. So that becomes 2 multiplied by 3, which of course gives me the answer of 6. So the golden rules that I need to remember when I'm substituting terms in an algebraic expression. So if you're working down the page, it allows you to keep the terms lined up. It's always important to keep your workings neat so that you can see what's going on. So working down the page, writing your values directly beneath each term is a good tip. And then use the values that you've been given to calculate each part of the expression. So if you were told that A equals 2 and B equals 4, if you had 3A plus B, then you know that A is 2, 3 lots of A would give you 6, and you've got to add on then just B, and B is 4. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. Notice that I was working directly down the page so that I kept things in line. And you must remember that if you've got 2 terms written next to each other, you must multiply. So if you had a B, the value of A is 2, so I'd write my 2. The value of B is 4, so I'd write my 4, but I must remember that B is actually A multiplied by B, so I must make sure that I put in a times sign. So 2 times 4 becomes 8.